Can I help you? I don't want to microwave anything, Sullivan. I'm busy playing Dead Island.
Well, it is your job.
What, microwaving or playing Dead Island?
Microwaving. Dead Island is a alternate duty, or whatever you want to call it.
A special duty?
A special duty, yes.
Alright, everybody. This damn thing has just been taking up space. Don't buy refurbished, for the record. That is the moral of this story. If you buy refurbished things, you'll end up microwaving them 5 weeks later. Actually, it's a lot longer than that. It's just been taking up space, like I said. And there is a big-ass battery in here that's probably going to light on fire. Let me see if I... It looks like this. This is the battery in there. It's somewhere in the middle. It's probably going to be a flame. It's going to be awesome. This video is going to rock all of our socks. We're doing this outside, however. I feel like letting it burn, and I can't let it burn if it's in my house / apartment.
Some men just feel like letting the world burn. Or was it seeing the world burn?
Seeing the world burn.
Seeing that.
Alright.
Okay.
I gotta get the microwave, however.
Okay, I'll wait here.
You wait there. Here, take this. It's dangerous to go alone. Take the extension cord. I'm put it in the corner.
Okay. Alright.
Does that help any?
Not really.
Oh, you know what?
What if we put it right here? That's a little better.
Yeah, because I want people seeing me put a Roomba.
Okay, hold on. Let's see, there's got to be a flashlight somewhere. You got a flashlight, right?
Here.
Alright.
Is that any better?
Second. Yeah, that's a little better.
Good enough for me.
Alright, it works.
Oh, yeah, there's still fire extinguisher shit in there, guys.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Alright.
Roomba.
Will it fit?
Will it?
Oh my god. That's like literally perfect.
Barely.
It smells kind of good, actually.
It smells like last time we did this.
But it's fond memories.
Fond memories, my anus. Okay, so.
Fond memories of your anus?
How long are we doing this for? Hi, neighbor. I'll let you pick this
well,
time.
The Xbox only took
Roomba,
about,
I
would say, 4 or 5 minutes.
$150.
I'd say do 15
well,
just for insurance. I would assume it's probably going to take about 6 minutes because the Xbox took about 5 minutes. So.
Where's the start button? Can you see it?
Yeah, I can. Might be a little better if I go like this.
It's not sparking.
Not yet.
Why isn't it sparking?
We just started.
I want it to spark. Like it's
just going in circles.
But I think
There's a vent right there. You might be able to see something. I don't know.
I might have to go get another microwave. It's money well spent. I don't care what anyone says. This is really disappointing. It's not.
Maybe this is going to take a little bit of waiting. Oh, there we go. There was something.
What was that?
I don't really want to stand in front of this personally, but whatever.
You know what? What's the worst that could happen?
I don't know. That's why I'm worried.
Oh,
it smells. Yep,
oh,
there we
God.
go. Now I smell it.
Oh, I saw the sparks. I can see you see it?
Yeah, I saw that. Oh, wow.
Come on, Roomba. Come on, Roomba.
Yeah, see, you can see it.
Yeah, you can see the
inner
sparks.
ring, yeah.
This is what you freaking get for breaking down after dancing. Did I tell you about that? My Roomba danced. It wouldn't clean.
Yeah.
It just danced and wobbled all over the apartment.
I was just trying to entertain, that's all.
It's entertaining now. Ah! Well, it smells like burnt.
Yeah.
It smells like microwaved fire extinguisher.
I think it's
I just saw a bunch of smoke pour out of the
Yeah.
vent on the Roomba, not on the microwave. It smells burnt.
It does.
That's awesome.
Let's see if it gets closer.
Oh,
now it doesn't
the
want to come
sensor.
out.
The sensor's glowing. It red ringed.
It is
My
red
Roomba.
ringed.
My Roomba red ringed. No.
Oh, yeah, you can see the smoke, definitely. If anyone asks, we're cooking.
We're cooking with a microwave on the
Oh,
patio.
wow, yeah, that you can definitely see that smoke.
Wow. I'm glad we're doing this outside.
Oh, yeah.
It's not bursting into flames, though. Damn it.
Just on the inside. It's going to have to burn through.
Oh, it popped. That battery should have, like, gone up by now. I'm kind of upset.
Isn't that bad to have a battery in there? I mean,
Yeah, it is.
It could explode.
It's inside a Roomba, inside a microwave.
I know. What if the door was open?
The door's not gonna blow open from a battery. I'm gonna go grab a glass of water in case it bursts. No, I'm staying right here. What was that?
I knew you were about to leave.
No, I have to go get a glass.
Oh,
Dude!
jeez.
Every time I try to
Scoot
leave,
over a little bit.
you'll be fine.
Wait, go for it. It might pop again.
Go leave again. It'll pop.
Be right back. All right. Still spinning. There's a couple of pops, but nothing since. Still smells good though.
Alright.
You can see the smoke coming out of the microwave, like floating away.
Yeah.
That's kind of funny.
I got the glove of science and I got a cup of water.
Okay, cool. Glove of Science has arrived.
We're definitely safe now. We got the glove of science.
Oh.
Nothing. Oh, it's
there we go.
popping, but it won't burst into
I
flames.
wonder what's popping.
The battery?
Oh, maybe.
The sensor melted and fell down into the thing.
That's funny.
Roomba, we've got 10.5 minutes left.
Yeah.
I can edit this for my friend's pleasure.
Yes.
Edit it for her pleasure.
Pleasure.
You can burst into flames whenever you damn well see fit, but
Yeah.
the smoke is starting to piss me off.
Yeah. Well, at least it's going away. The wind's carrying it off.
Again, I'm glad we did this outside.
Oh, wow.
I don't understand.
The smell just
Why?
kicked up a notch.
Bam!
Bam!
Oh, bam!
Bam!
Roomba agrees.
Mm-hmm. Jeez. This thing is pretty durable, considering.
Too bad it didn't actually last that long in working condition.
Yeah.
You know, I should have seen if it worked one last time. Oh well, I gave it plenty of last chances.
I'd say you gave it enough.
You know, I really wish this would burst into flames already.
Yeah. I really wish I could understand how proper lighting would make this look better. But we can't all have what we want.
But if you try sometime, Sullivan, you just might find you get anally raped.
Yeah. That is the truth. Jeez.
Look at it. It's a trooper. I'll give it
is.
that.
It is.
I was really not expecting nothing to happen.
Yeah.
Come on.
Jeez.
Excuse me.
Ugh.
Come on,
It's kind of
Roomba.
getting overpowering, though, you're right.
You need to catch on fire, Roomba. It's not sparking anymore. It's not doing anything.
There's definitely something inside it.
Look,
Yeah, I can see it.
it's glowing like an ember right there. Something's
Yeah.
burning, but
Well, maybe in a couple minutes. Oh, God. We should really get masks for when we do this.
well,
Like they do on that one, whatever that one was. With that special room they have.
we don't talk about that.
We don't talk about that.
We don't talk about that show on my show.
I see.
Well, this isn't really a show, but you know what I'm trying to say.
It could be a show.
We don't discuss Jory Karen.
Yeah.
I'm much better looking, in my opinion. I don't know about funnier, but I'm much better looking than Jory. Hang on.
All right. Oh, I can't even see you. Whatever.
No. Back in.
Okay. Back in for another 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Jeez. Whew. I really should have tried
I wish I had masks.
That will be next on our list. Most
And
definitely.
a new microwave, it seems.
Yeah, I don't think this is going to survive this.
I don't think either of these. That's what happens when an immovable microwave meets an unstoppable Roomba.
Yep. Just round and round in circles.
Nothing is happening.
Absolutely nothing. Jeez. Is it just slowly melting, I guess?
Nothing is happening.
At all.
I'm letting my friends down. I'm letting them down. Roomba, you're letting them down.
Yes.
This is the part that I pull out a gun and just cap the microwave with 10 rounds of 7.63.
Sounds kind of dangerous.
Sounds kind of fun. 10 minutes have passed. 10 minutes of destroying our lungs, slowly but surely.
Yes. 10 minutes of my arms somewhat hurting.
Alright, you know what? I'm going to call this
You gonna
one.
call it? Alright.
It's not,
Dead, non, whatever. Oh, look, we ended at 4:44. How convenient.
Alright, now let's hang on a
Wow.
sec. Let's
Alright.
let it...
Whew,
See if I can't get some of that smoke out.
yeah. Yeah, that button is done.
See the oh God! Don't Roomba smoke.
Oh.
Don't breathe this.
It just went right in my face. It wanted me to breathe it. There you go. That's close up. And I'm
All right, love of science time.
glove of science.
It's
I
not
might
very
need 2
hot.
gloves of sciences.
I think the underside of this thing is.
It's crispy. Oh god.
It's actually in good condition on the underside.
Can't even see it really. We should really get a flashlight for this.
Look at the inside of the microwave, though.
Hold on, let me get the
Jesus.
smoke out of the way.
Oh God! Right into my lungs.
Oh wow, that is. Oh my eyes. Oh god. Why did we do this? Why did we do this, or? Yeah. Oh, I got some of it smoking.
Yeah, go ahead. Here, if you can't see it very well, that's right in my face. And here we have charbroiled Roomba. It's effed. It's
It
putting up a
is.
ton of heat too, and the button is mushy.
Mushy.
I don't really. Oh man, this is ridiculous.
It
Alright,
is.
well, oh shit!
Ah!
Roomba, no, come back! It's dangerous to go. Well, you're not going anywhere.
Is that? No.
Alright, follow me.
It's people doing normal stuff.
It's people doing things that don't involve microwaving Roombas.
Yeah.
Now you can see.
Hello, light.
Get a good look at the Roomba. Get a good look at. Oh god, the sensor.
Oh wow. Ooh.
Save! Oh god, that's hot.
Yeah, you might want to not want to. Oh wow, it is smushy.
Ouch!
I like that. That was a. It sounded like a dying animal or something.
I am a deer. Well,
Ooh, look at that smell.
on the
wow.
plus. Oh shit!
Um.
Hang on, I got this.
Oh god.
People are gonna think this is a bomb.
Holy shit. Was that the battery that fell out?
No,
Oh, thank God.
I didn't do that. But I'm on camera, so I guess I
You
did.
are, so you did do that.
Okay. It's so hard to hold. This is falling apart.
Oh my god.
I got down there and I'm looking at my. I could just leave it there, but people are gonna
Oh,
think it's a
wow.
bomb. It's smoking.
Jeez. Holy crap. That wheel is messed
Why
up.
is it still smoking?
I know. What could that be? Like, what is it right there? That I can't even see what it's smoking from.
Don't worry, the glove of science will answer this question.
Oh wow.
Oh,
Holy
sweet Jesus!
shit. Oh my god.
I don't even know what I'm looking at right now.
It's just. Oh, I wish you could see it better. It's just all
It's deep fried Roomba is what it is. Follow me.
Oh wow. I might start using my Android phone. It's got the flash on it.
Okay. Going back out. Here. We're gonna leave this here.
Okay.
Until then, I need a catchphrase of some sort. Underwear. That's all I got.